Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In last video, we learned how to create parameterized stored procedure. In this video, we'll learn how to create a stored procedure and update the record with the help of that. Let's see how we can do it in SQL Server. Let's open SQL Server, select the database, and then click on plus sign, and then click on programmability. Click here and then see what all stored procedure we have created so far. Let's open this stored procedure. Right click on this and click on modify. This stored procedure will come up in a alter mode. Now we are not going to create any new stored procedure in this video. We will see how we can alter the stored procedure and make it update. Let's see how we can do it. Just open this one. This is one way of opening the stored procedure. Another way is, let's just copy it, remove everything, specify sp underscore help text. It's a system defined function. Just put the stored procedure name we have created and execute. You will see that the complete query will come here. Just click on the corner. It will select all and copy and paste here. We can see this is different way of opening or getting the SQL stored procedure query. Here we have the query. Now we are going to change it. Let's make it @employee ID. Put int as we have first column integer in employee table. Let's create another employee name. Give some space and then so that it will look better. And varchar 50. Let's remove mode from here. We will learn mode as well with different kind of operation. Let's say in mode we will have select operation, delete operation, update operation in a single stored procedure. We will learn it in upcoming videos. Let's see how we can do it. The update query here. Update. Just put this comment. How we can do the comment? Update records. Query update. Table name employee. Set employee name equal to @employee name, where employee ID equal to, just copy this, @employee ID. The error gone from here. Just execute this query. Okay, it is saying this is already an object because we are going to create a stored procedure. As it is already existing, that's an error coming up here. It is saying there is an already existing procedure. Just change the create to alter and execute this query. You will see that it is successfully completed. Now, see how we can do the update. Let's select query first and then see how many records we have in the employee table. 3 records. Let's do an update with stored procedure. EC, and then we need to pass 2 parameters. One is ID and another is employee name. Let's say I want to change the name of Mike, where employee ID is 1. Let's put employee ID 1 here and then employee name. Put the name, let's say I want to change it to Mohan. Just select this particular query and execute. One row affected. Let's see, select a star from employee, whether the report has been updated or not. Yes. Here we can see that the employee ID has changed to Mohan. Now I want to change the employee ID from Nick to, let's say, Ram. Just select it and execute the query. You can see that one row affected. Let's see whether it is updated or not. Yes, it also updated. This is how we can update the record with the help of stored procedure. That's it from this video. Thank you for watching.